I just feel like nobody really understands me, you know? It's like I constantly play this game in my head, like I think I'm good and then I don't know. I got mental issues, don't know what to call it. Okay, I got a couple screws loose inside my noggin. Shout out to my dad for not using the condom, cause now I'm a problem. Imagine these rappers were tight, mumble rap was just a gag at the mic. Back in the lab they were actually tight, counting stacks while getting a laugh at the hype. And these pill poppin' rappers never dabble in vice, sober and clean, never sold crack in the night. Nice, got your rap tough but get dragged in a fight. The type who wants that but keep on grabbing the knife. I'm just babbling facts, hope you handle advice. Don't diss me, you don't wanna gamble your life. Yeah, I'm rambling, but you can tell I'm actually tight. Damn it, I just might hit a dab to the right, like I'm coming from the dance of the night. These things happen cause I happen to write. I'm still standing, bitch, I stand at a height that you can't fathom, so just pass me the mic. No one's gonna get in my way cause I won't let you. Yeah, you're sick, but I am on another level. I don't like you and I'm not gonna pretend to. I got a great life that I need to attend to. It's fuck you and the people rolling with you. I'm actually fine, you're the one with the issue. First time I do a show, I rage at the venue and flex on my ex like the way I was meant to. I need your Nat McCurdy to fuck me. I wanted dirty sex with her since like Carly. We met at a meet and greet and it was lovely. She recognized me and I begged her to love me. You say I rap sad, I got one side that's ugly. Think I'm not a savage, you must be a dummy. Got girls in different states, they're calling me hubby. Girl, you get replaced if you start to get funny. It's about time I flex, I think that I deserve it. Been rapping for years, barely scratching the surface. Been underground too long and now I'm emerging. I'm stopping my music so Slim Shady's heard it. I've been crazy working on my daily urges to give you nothing less than amazing verses. Get turned at the club with the bottles you purchase while I manifest every dream you've been curving, that's real. I got mental issues, I cannot ignore this. Okay, I could get help, but I can't afford it. Shout out to my mom for skipping the abortion. Your son will be enormous.